How to change your Instagram account to personal account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Instagram account to a personal account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Instagram. And if you're not on your professional account, this is how you first go to professional account. So I'll show you guys. It's really easy. Head over to your settings and activity. Scroll down all the way till you find an option that says for professionals, account type and tool. Head over there and there you'll find switch to professional account. You can tap on next and go through that process. Now I will not show you guys how you can change your account to professional account. I'll just show you guys how you can change it back. So this is my professional account right here. Now to change it back to a personal account, head over to your profile, tap on the three lines on the top right, and now scroll down all the way. Now again, you will need to search for an option that says your, let me hit back here. Simply head over to your settings and activity, scroll down, and there you will see creators, account and tool. After you're here, you will see switch account type after you scroll down a bit. And tap on switch account type and you'll get two options. One is to switch your account to your personal account. The other is to switch to a business account. So in this video, I'll just switch it back to a personal account. Tap on it and confirm it. After you do that, it might take some time, but it will just change your account back to a personal account. Now, as you can see right here, my professional dashboard is now gone. That means that this account is now a personal account. And yeah, it's that simple. And that is basically all for the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to App Hacks and also don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.